Hello, I just wanted to make a clear, more concise version of exactly what happens when you start ScummVM for Android the first time. In this new version of ScummVM for Android, significant changes were made to the file access system to allow support for modern versions of the Android operating system. This has actually been going on since at least version 2.7. To add a game, step 1, select Add Game from the launcher. Step 2, inside the ScummVM file browser, select Go up until you reach the root folder, which has the Add a New Folder option. Step 3, double tap Add a New Folder in your device's file browser. Navigate to the folder containing all of your game folders. For example, SD card, ScummVM games. Step 4, select Use this folder. Step 5, select Allow to give ScummVM permission to access the folder. Step 6, in the ScummVM file browser, double tap to browse through your added folder. Select the subfolder containing the game's files, then tap Choose. Okay, all this means is that if you click Add Game and then you click a folder and click Choose on any one of these, you're going to get this error message. ScummVM could not find any game in the specified directory. Have you given ScummVM access rights to this directory? Press the Help button on the top bar for detailed instructions. All you have to do is click Add here, click Add a New Folder, click Choose, click Use this folder and Allow. And I'm going to get the error message, but when I look at the folder again, now here's my ScummVM folder. So I can click absolutely anything I want in here and it'll actually detect the game and finally work. That's the whole secret, so if you've been having a problem adding your ScummVM games, you might have just skipped over that important step. Just a quick note here, you'll see that my version number is 2.9.1.1, the latest version of ScummVM released for Android. It's just an issue with scoped permissions if you had a problem adding files in the latest version of ScummVM. I hope this video helps someone out there. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon.